Hello and welcome to the Returnees Sankofa channel. Once again, my name is Kofi, like always. I am glad to come your way again today. And today all I'm asking is you and I to be able to get the Returnees Sankofa channel to 1,000 subscribers. So we are about almost 500 subscribers now, and we are trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to our channel, the Returnees Sankofa, and then also share our channel to reach more subscription. You know, Returnees Sankofa channel is all about best informations right from Ghana. We bring you nothing but the best, like always. So share our channel to reach our targeted subscription. Also, don't forget your donations and little contributions coming in. We appreciate you, we love you, and thank you. And Akwaba to the Returnees Sankofa channel. My name, like always, Kofi, and I'm glad to bring you another video right from Ghana. Today I'm bringing you a video on how to make asana in Ghana or wherever you may be. Remember, asana is a Ghanaian drink made from fermented corn and caramelized sugar. And I'm going to take you through the process step by step on how to make the Ghanaian authentic asana drink. Let me give you a few lists on the ingredients you may need in making asana. 1, you need a fermented corn, water, sugar, and milk as optional. That is when after your asana drink is prepared, you can add sugar just to supplement the taste, and you're good to go. So how do you get a fermented corn? It's a process, and I'll take you through the method step by step on how to get a fermented corn. Stay tuned, don't go away. Hey, welcome back to the Returnees Sankofa channel. Remember, I said today it's all about asana making right here from Ghana in my kitchen, and then I am making this asana. Believe me, after making this authentic drink, you will love it. You will love it, and you can as well make it anywhere as far as you can find the corn or maize, so it's not too hard at all. Anyways, this video is gonna be in 2-part series, and I hope you do enjoy it. Let's start. So I'm gonna be using my corn kernel or maize kernel for this recipe, which I got from a grocery store just around the corner in my neighborhood. Now I'm gonna place this in a bowl. Yes, nice, careful, in a bowl, and I'm going to wash this. So I'm going to soak this. Just after washing this, I'm gonna soak this in water for 3 days. So I'm gonna soak this in water for 3 days, and day 1, this is how it looks like. On the second day, this is how our soaked corn kernel looks like. And on day 3, I will wash the kernels and spread it on a flat surface. I have just used a tray here, which is just a serving tray. After, I have my wet napkin that I have covered this with. It's my wet napkin. Yes, nicely you covered the whole kernel on the tray with your wet napkin. And I'm going to pour a cup of water over it, or just sprinkle a cup of water over the kernel in the flat tray. And I'm going to leave this in a warm, slightly dark place in the kitchen to germinate quickly. So on day 5, which is every 2 days, I tend to water this again. You can tell now that it started to germinate. Right here, you can see the corn kernel start to germinate nicely. So yes, every 2 days, I just add a cup of water. I spread